Hi, my name's Rob, and today we're going to talk about how you can significantly improve the performance of your DJI Mavic 2 by adding the Drone World Maxx Mod kit. So let's get started. All right, so before we get started, I want to mention one thing really quick. You don't have to buy everything in this kit. If you're on a budget, you can add a few pieces at a time and save up for the rest. But by the time we finish this video, you're probably going to want everything in the kit, and all the upgrades too, because of how much you can save when you bundle. So the first part of the Maxx Mod kit that we're going to talk about is the DJI Mavic 2 itself. This is DJI's most revolutionary drone to date for its compact size and groundbreaking new features. It comes in a Pro version and a Zoom version. Each has its benefits, and lots of people like having both in their kit for different situations. To learn why we like the Mavic 2 so much over other models, you can watch our Mavic 2 comparison video on our YouTube channel. But with either model, you're going to want to add the Maxx Mod kit to fly farther with better video feed quality and an almost guaranteed signal. So the first and most exciting accessory for the Maxx Mod kit, and it's totally new for 2019, is the boosted antenna that gives you extremely crisp HD signal. It has new PureSync 2.0 technology, and it has 3 times more performance than the previous upgraded helical antenna because it has 2 internal Wi-Fi boosters, and the whole system can be charged using your stock charger. It gives you not just further range, but a virtually guaranteed signal so you don't lose your shot due to video breakup. You'll get better penetration through trees, and it allows you to fly much lower and farther. This helps in congested radio interference areas like power lines and cell phone towers. All you have to do is point the helical antennas in the general direction of the drone, and you'll get clear signal every flight. You can fly low or high, and your signal stays strong through trees and bushes, near buildings with congested Wi-Fi router signals, and over much farther distances of water and mountains. It's much easier to capture amazing footage with basically no signal loss, even with obstacles that cause signal interferences to a stock antenna. So if you take a close look, you'll see the quality of the materials. These aren't just for show. They really are constructed of the best components you can find anywhere. These are perfectly matched helical antennas with a variance of only plus or minus 1/4 of a decibel, so you can explore lower and closer to your subject than ever before. This kit gives you all the parts from the DJI Fly More combo kit, like a car charger, spare plastic props, and 2 extra drone batteries. And instead of the factory hip-hugging bag, we've upgraded you to this Drone World sling bag so you can keep everything organized and ready to deploy quickly. Next, we have the Thor supercharging station. As you might know, stock battery chargers are terribly slow, but this charger gives you the ability to charge 4 batteries and your remote at the same time, basically making it more than 4 times faster than a stock charger. And it's 22 amps, so it's plenty powerful. And it's still safe because it uses commercial quality parts like a 20,000 hour rated cooling fan. So imagine how much better it is to plug in all your batteries and just forget about them until you're ready to fly. Next, we have our signature L-series lens filters made of high optic German glass. The glass used on these filters is the best quality you can find anywhere for a drone camera. You can actually go look it up online and see that no other company out there has these yet, and they truly are the best. Lens filters are the fastest way to improve the quality of your video footage. The ND filters help balance the lighting because outdoor shots are often way too bright and overexposed. The polarized filters help you reduce glare from the water and other shiny objects. We even have some great combo filters where we stack the polarizer on top of the ND filter, giving you a color boost while still reducing glare and smoothing out the video. These are crucial if you plan on taking video with your Mavic 2 Pro with its larger sensor and the Zoom model for capturing amazing cinematic shots. Now, this rapid deploy backpack is really awesome because it lets you take out your drone and launch quicker than ever. It has a lot of really thoughtfully planned out compartments. Like this top compartment actually lets you store a fully set up remote and crystal sky monitor, and all you have to do is fire it up and you're ready to fly. We've seen that this can save you up to 2 full minutes of setup time, and you can actually launch in just 30 seconds. This really comes in handy when you want to hike up to a hard to reach spot or hand launch when there's no space on the ground. Next, we have the carbon fiber propellers. And right out of the bag, you're going to see that these things really look stunning. They're the first of their kind to offer beveled flared tips that give you a more quiet flight and can also give you a boost in speed of 3 to 5 miles per hour, or more depending on how you fly. These beveled edges reduce the noise by 60%, and they work great for places like this park. They also utilize the new MachFlex technology 3.0 to give you the optimum amount of flex to stiffness ratio. This lets you fly aggressively while still reducing the camera shake that you might get with other props that you see out there. So these props are going to give you a big bang for your buck in terms of performance and noise reduction. And they just look really cool. Next, we have the very high quality hard case made by Nanook. We've used every single drone case on the market, and over the last 5 years, these are our favorite cases by far. If you plan to travel with your drone and all its gear, our hard case is really going to protect everything and keep you organized. It has patented power claw latches, so you can open each latch with one hand, and it's highly water resistant for any purpose, even open ocean boating. It's crush proof for airline travel, has nice rubber grips, a telescoping handle that is rock solid, and smooth rolling ball bearing wheels. The best part is the water jet cut synergy foam inside to really protect all your gear. No other case on the market holds this many accessories for your Mavic 2, so you're really going to enjoy showing this thing off. Next, we have the Crystal Sky monitor. In our opinion, getting this 5-inch monitor and a new Mavic 2 drone, along with all the Maxx Mod accessories, will give you the absolute best aerial setup possible. You'll get a much more durable, fully dedicated device with exceptional battery life and tons of new features like screen recording and the fastest startup time compared to the built-in monitor of a Phantom 4 Pro Plus. Just fire up the screen from sleep mode and you're ready for action. And don't forget about the DJI goggles or the Racing Edition goggles. These goggles can make your flying experience unlike anything else. They're completely wireless and they have total light isolation, so you'll feel like you're actually flying in the drone's cockpit. There's no lag, no pixelation, just pure signal with our Drone World Pure Sync remote mod. So there you have it. I told you were going to want to have all these accessories. So if you have any questions, we have a very knowledgeable customer support team standing by to answer any questions you may have or to help teach you how these amazing antenna mods work. We hope you get the drone and the accessories that allow you to keep charting new horizons. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.